Auto N Projects is all about cars. I was in the mood to make quick cold start, walk around video on Desperado before I take it to the shop. But batteries were too weak. I can't even remember when I tried to start it last time. I was back the next day with my trusty sprinter and jumper cables, so I tried again. I waited about 10 minutes so Sprinter can charge up Ford's batteries before I turned the key, hoping little extra juice is all Desperado needed. Since I have it, considering check engine light, because cylinder 5 is misfiring, never had cloud of smoke out of exhaust pipe even on cold start, it sounds good, takes off nicely, just when I go over 40 miles an hour I could feel hesitation, power loss and engine sound change. If I would start it every now and then it would start right up. From distance, it doesn't look all that bad, and even sound like it doesn't have issues. So here is Desperado 6.0, with factory problems most of us know about, in this case few more to resolve before it goes back on the road. Interior is okay I guess, if we could ignore dirt and presence of mold all over, due to rust holes around upper part of the windshield, on the roof, as you will see some later in the video. I can just imagine what rubber floor mat is covering. Eventually we will find out sooner or later. After engine is back in good running condition, body work and modification will be done afterwards. I'll pull interior out, clean it, planning to replace the seats and flooring. I'll try to soundproof the cab too, so it's not as loud inside, install better sound system and few other things in addition. This is what odometer states, according to Carfax it's way more. Air condition is still holding up, blowing cold, even after all this time being parked. RPMs are normal too. Let's go for a spin, shall we? That squeak at the takeoff, later I figured is from front left caliper that sticks, which is just another addition to my repair bucket list. All the dust from open storage parking stuck to the windshield, hard to see. That being said, I never check the wipers. No clue if they work or not, or the washer fluid pump. Lights and signals do work, so couple of things less to worry about. Aside from caliper that sticks, brakes and shocks seem to be good. As I mentioned in my little intro video, I'll add the link to it in the card if you want to see it. So far transmission was rebuilt on this van. I almost lost interest in fixing it up further, but one morning after strong coffee I come up with more appealing idea what to do with it rather than have it as plain regular van. After short time driving, caliper gets quiet, but letting go of gas pedal I can tell brake pads are still against rotor, and it pulls to the left a little. Here is how the roof looked like, first from the side door, then from the back. Critical spot around top side of the windshield I forgot to record. One more thing for the end of this video. Do you think it's going to start on its own? I told you so. Go Desperado. For now, this is the scoop what is happening at the moment. More details in separate videos in the future as progress is being made. I hope this and upcoming videos will keep you entertained and keep you coming back. Thank you for visiting Auto N Projects channel. Comment, like, share and subscribe.